Hello guys, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Friday, almost weekend. Yes, Friday, October the 30th, 2020. We have here two regular Sudokus, a light Sudoku and a heavy Sudoku. And in this additional, there is also an addition. In this newspaper, there's also an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe there are 7 or 8. I think. Let me check. There are 8 extra Sudokus. But first we will do the light Sudoku, and this one will be number 1823. And I see in all these big squares there are 4 printed digits. So 9 times 4 is 36 printed digits. All right. So let's get started. Let me see. 7 in this last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Or there we see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Or there we see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Or there we see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 1. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so the row between, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here. Or there we see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so in the column between, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 2. Then. How about the number 9? We have a 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, here 9, no 9 there, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next, so in that column, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 3. And then. How about the 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next? So in that column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here. Or there we see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see here 3, we see there 3, so no 3s in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3, should be there. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 4. How about the number? The number. Let me see. These 2 numbers in this big square, those 2 missing numbers are the 1 and the 6. We see here 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then these 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 8 and 1. 8 and 1. I cannot fill this yet. Wow, 8 and 1. That means 1 digit left in the second row for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 8. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in the second column for the number 5. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. How about these 2 numbers in the first column? Those numbers are the 2 and the 5. 2 and a 5. No, I cannot fill this yet. 2 and a 5. These 2 numbers in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8 are missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be a 1. 1 box left in this column for the number 1. 1 box left in that column for the number 7. No, 7. We have 2. 2 is missing. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 5 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 1 and 6. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 6 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. 1 number left in this row for the number 6. 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 2 goes there. 1 number left in the last column for the number 2, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 1 goes there. Finish in 9 minutes. Alright. I like this Sudoku Light very, very much. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds for a Sudoku heavy. How heavy? I do not know. We will see. Bye bye for now.